one is the Nice Guy, an ASO design. I remember the original Nice Guy here in the channel some time ago. Under 3 inches on the blade, D2 steel. This one has black PVD coating and a stonewash finish, and G10 handles with a button liner lock. So there we go. Kizer maximizing the button lock through the moon. And absolutely, I mean, why not, right? It is definitely one of the more desirable button locks these days. I feel like maybe over time, button operated liner locks are going to get overdone, just like crossbar locks are these days. But hey, we still haven't gotten there yet. We got some paperwork, wiping cloth, hardware, and sticker also in the box. And here we go. Let's go ahead and take a look. I believe this one has a new blade geometry. The original one was just a drop point blade, and this one's going to have a little bit of a different sort of shape for sure. So we got the black G10 recessed liners, like the little orange, little pop of color, matching thumb studs and button. And it looks like Kizer is going to be sticking around with the sort of half circle sort of button shape. And I don't mind it. It actually works. It's functional. It's pretty large without being too... It's kind of like a happy medium between like a circle button and a rectangle button. So I dig it. The pocket carry clip, that's reversible on the other side. And we're just going to go ahead and stand it here with the thumb studs. Bam! Obviously going to be a affordable budget knife with D2 steel. There are other variants available. We'll talk about those other variants in a second. But yeah, blacked out everything except the orange accents. That actually looks nice. And as far as the blade goes, pretty interesting. I want to say maybe borderline more interesting geometry than the OG counterpart. For sure, you have a little bit of a clip point blade, you know, kind of like a little drop section with another drop. Plenty of jimping for days. That's absolutely a good execution there. Dig that. Pretty much all the way through. You're going to get a flat grind with a belly there. Good plunge grind situation about where my nail is. Action. Oh yeah, that's nice and solid there. Good open and close on ball bearings. Oh yeah, that is nice, well tuned. Kizer's just absolutely knocking it out of the park with their button operated liner locks, that's for sure. Full 4-finger grip, yes, absolutely. And we can forward choke with a nice little finger choil. We can do thumb right here in this section, or we can even lock and load right here. Perfect. That little curvature right there, perfect for the thumb. We are ready to get some work done. That feels nice on hand. Absolutely solid. Pretty lightweight too, so that's a plus. Dig that. We do have some milling on the inside for weight reduction, especially like I said on the non-liner side. It's just going to be a sandwich construction, 2 standoffs, and pretty grippy, you know, standard G10. No crazy patterns, nothing crazy, just very straightforward G10 with some nice contouring all around. Makes it nice and comfortable. I give them that. Lanyard solution there for my lanyard people. Big hardware everywhere except the pocket clip will be T6, T8 everywhere else. So that is the Nice Guy for you, right? Just definitely just a very no frills, no brainer pickup as a budget knife. Makes a great gift knife, or you know, just a beater, daily user for not a lot of money really. This one is absolutely not going to break the bank, that's for sure. I give it a nice little wipe here so we can get a better look at this black wash. All right, take a look there. Good belly to it for tabletop cutting, and also a very pokey tip there, like your favorite YouTuber says here on the platform. Yeah, this one is yeah, pretty solid for what it is. Absolutely a highly recommendable budget EDC knife, no doubt.